Hey motherfucker, I'm back. It's like 4 days later, but who cares? I have this tab and I will fucking erase it, dude. Oh fuck. I will just erase this chapter of my life. This first 3 months of this year, and I will show you how to do it right now. So, let's take a seat, grab a notebook right now. I want you to grab something that you can write on, and I want you to do the followings. So grab a notebook and a pen, obviously. Open the notebook right now. I will wait for you to grab one. You have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you don't have a notebook right now, stop this video. If you have, do the followings. So, write 7 to 10 goals you have in your head and you want to achieve right now. Do it. Seven to 10 goals. Alright, so I have 7 right now. And if you're not done, I will wait, but you should be done. So read it. And I have this 7 goals. I don't know if you can actually see them, but they are: get my back healthy. I have a back pain. So I have to train fucking this weird chiropractor's exercises. 100 subs, make first money online, improve my social skills, because I lack kinda of memories, because I was working hard on my agency. Make $2,000, $4,000 from my side hustle. Start calisthenics and show my brother self-improvement. Now, I want you to circle 1 to 3 goals, the most important goals you have. Right now, just read it and I have this. Circle it right now. Don't overthink it. 1 to 3 goals, the less, the better. Got it? So, my is get my bag healthy, 100 subs, improve my social skills, and just like have more memories. Now, grab that pen. You just wrote it, those earlier goals, and just destroy them, dude. Destroy those goals, so you can fucking see what you've wrote. Do it right now. So, your list should look like this. Have 3 goals, 1, 2, 3 goals, It's okay to have 1, it's okay to have 2, it's okay to have 3 like me. And fuck my hair, I can see you. But right now, focus only on these 3 goals. Why do you think? You know, as you could see, I had like, I don't know, fucking 5 main goals, you know, for the year. Then the quarter 1 goals, month goals, week goals, and the would be nice goals. So I would have like 5 categories: fitness, health, wealth, knowledge, and materialistic goals. And from every section I had 3 to 5 main goals that I want to achieve after I achieve the main goals. And what I've realized is that the more goals you have, the less productive and effective it is. Your brain has some capacity, you know, some brain powers, some brain points. You know, you can focus only a few hours or only a few times per day. So you must know how to manage your focus and what does the focus should go for. For what goal, for what task, for what activity. So you've probably heard that the multitasking, and that's kind of bullshit. Multitasking like doesn't actually exist. It's only an illusion because your brain has this focus and you can focus on one thing at one time. So when I'm writing and I'm focusing on that notebook, on that pen, on what I will write, and also I will talk to you, I am not doing multitasking. I am just switching my focus from writing to speaking in the amount of milliseconds that I can't even realize. So if you're switching focus so fast, guess what will happen? Your work sucks, your productivity sucks, your effectiveness sucks. Because you are switching focus every fucking millisecond. And that's all about multitasking. So the point is why I'm saying what I'm saying right now is that back to the goals, you have one focus and you have 30 goals. So you have, I don't know, 100 points of your focus and then you have 30 goals. Some goals needs to have 1 point, some 2, 3, okay? That's all. So my brain points is spread to all the goals I have. So one goal is 1 point, and 2, oh this is 3, oh this is 1, 1, 1. And you spread your focus on all these goals and you are left with none points, none focus. So you will probably make some progress, you will probably do some like goals, but the goals you will achieve would be probably the 1 or 2 point goals, but not the main goals, not the goals that you are really want to achieve and are really hard, because you simply don't have the points of focus you need to complete the goal. So why we did this is to realize that on this board will only be the goals I'm really desired for, and I really want to achieve them. And I will only, and you will only, focus on those 1 to 3 goals. Only on those. And that's all. No fucking would be nice goals, quarter 1 goals, month goals, none. None fucking productivity app, none, oh how you feeling today? And you will fucking choose the emoji and then, so what was your day like? Were you on social media? No, just those goals, and you will only focus on them. And I guarantee you that if you focus on, really focus on those 1 to 3 goals, you will achieve them. I guarantee you. So right now I will write these goals on my board, and I will show you how to build up your journey or your system. You know, if you read the Atomic Habits book, in this book it's good. Everybody's saying it's perfect. I don't know if it's perfect. I've read better books, but I don't know. Maybe it was my first self-improvement book, so maybe I didn't get like everything out of that book. So I don't know, but the point is, in that book was saying that you should be focusing on the journey, not the goal, and enjoy the journey, build up the systems, and when you have the systems, your goal will be fulfilled and completed in a fucking quick time. So as you could see, I've picked the 3 goals like you did, and under that I've chose the habits and activities that will lead me to complete and achieve my goal. So, for example, I have 100 subs. So I have scripting, recording, uploading, headline and description, and then thumbnail. So the last exercise with this achieving goals is to just look at your activities or habits. So as I said, I have scripting, recording, uploading, headline, and thumbnail. And pick one that is needed. And that is the simple, most important activity that you have to do, and then you cannot achieve your goal without. So the single most important activity when it comes to my goal, and that is 100 subs, is recording. Because without recording videos, I can't just be on a social media and can really grow my audience. So I want you to do it right now on any goal. So I have 3 goals. So I will circle recording, then on something on improve my social skills and get rid of back pain. So I will show again the examples. I have 100 subs, so without recording there wouldn't be there wouldn't be any videos, so no audience. Improve my social skills. So I have learning, psychology, talking to strangers, applying things from how to influence people and win friends by Dale Carnegie, and then going more on events. So this is my favorite book of all time. So I also have this thing. I have everything from this book, and I am reading it every fucking single day. So I will remember those and actually apply. So like I said, this is my favorite book, and I think that if you really read this book and apply it to your life, you just don't need anything else to improve your social skills. And I'm right now working on it. I've read this book 2 times, and I don't actually improve my social skills that much because I'm kind of scared. I am a fucking pussy, but right now, every morning I am talking to a stranger and giving him compliments and trying to smile more because I had like bad time in my life, so I didn't have like the energy to fucking smile. Hey, it's sunny day. So I'm working on it right now, and I'm kind of getting good at it, so I'm glad. But the last thing is get rid of my back pain, and the only thing I can get rid of that is to train exercises from my chiropractor to like strengthen more my abs, because the reason I have back pain is really just because I was born with like fucking straight bones in the back. I don't know how is that called, doesn't really matter. And I have this like the side ab I have really weak, and this is like fucking hard, but this is so like soft. So I really couldn't get rid of back pain without doing some exercises on core and on my back to just curve my end of the back, because as I said, I have like straight back as fuck. So this was the last thing to circle the most important habits and activities that you have to do in order to achieve your goals. If you would have to erase all the other activities. So this is fucking all. I want you to do the fucking hard work and just work on your dreams and on your goals. Focus only on them. Save your focus and transcribe it on the goal that is important to you and that you're desired to. Focus on that, and I guarantee you that you will fucking achieve it. I believe you, bro. Goodbye. So if you found this video any valuable, I will really appreciate any feedback. You know, I'm a starting YouTuber, so you can fucking criticize me in the comments, and I would really appreciate it. Because I'm just learning the skill of recording myself, so I will be grateful for any fucking comment, and I don't care if it's good or bad. So I'm giving the permission to criticize if there was anything wrong. Click the like, subscribe, and that's all, bro. Thank you for staying here, and yeah, I hope you get your goals done.